everybody, Nate Lee here, and my violin hurts me. So here's the deal. This is a real thing, and this is also ridiculous, and I'm feeling goofy today. But there's this thing, I call it the my violin hurts me face, or the my fiddle hurts me face, or, you know, the whatever instrument you're playing. But it's this interesting phenomenon that I think most people have observed, that if the player makes a face, maybe does something with their shoulders, it looks like what they're playing is really hard to do. And it's a tried and true performance technique. You could use that to look like you are a better player than you are. All you got to do is scrunch up your nose a little, and that's it. So that's the my violin hurts me face. It really is effective, and you can watch a lot of performers. Some of them do it because that's what they're feeling, but you can watch a lot of performers, you see them doing it because they want to look cool, or a whole lot of times it's tongue-in-cheek. They think it's kind of funny, and it doesn't really matter what someone's motivation is for doing it. It's just an interesting thing about music. But I want to show you what about that lick actually made the music good when I played that, because you'd have to be watching me to see all that kind of stuff. But the lick itself is really good. And I'm going to show you what I'm doing to make it sound good. So the first thing is, this is a G lick. So we're sliding in like that. That's the very first step. It's just a nice little slide, gradual slide into the D note on your A string. That's 3 on the A. Now, the second step is to tap that like button for the YouTube algorithm and to subscribe to this channel. It really helps out a lot. So I hope you'll do that. It really helps me out. Now, third step, we're going to play a C note. That's low 2 on the A. Now, 3 again. D note. Shoulders come back up maybe. And now, seriously though, don't play this way. It's super tense. If you do this, only do it for a moment. Now we're going to slide into 1 on the A. That's a B note. And then G on your D string. That's a 3 on the D. And that's the lick. Now here's what makes the lick good. First, I'm doing the right amount of slide on the first note. It moans. Great way to start this lick. Then, these quick notes. Now, another whiny slide. And then a very quick slide into the last note. Now the first one is the whiniest. This one, a little shorter, still whiny. The last one though, super short, fast slide. But this still isn't all of it. There's more to it than all of this stuff and all the slides. So here's what I'm doing. On the sliding notes, especially the first one, I'm pushing a little too hard with my bow. It's the difference between this and this. Adding a little bit of that scratch to it, it makes it bluesier. It makes it hurt a little more. You know, sometimes you want stuff to sound completely pretty and light and happy. And other times you want it to be like a massage. It hurts good. And that's what we've got here. Now, I know tons of you are probably watching this saying, yeah, but Nate, I've been trying to not make whiny, screechy sounds for years as a fiddle player. And it's good to learn to play really pretty and nice, but sometimes that screechy, whiny sound is what we really want. If you don't take it too far, it can sound really cool. And if you're struggling to make clean tone and you kind of sound like this all the time, well, you don't have to learn to do this. You already checked that box. You can make some nice whiny blues sounds. If you want to hear some examples of playing that sounds kind of like that, a lot of 𝘂𝗲𝗄𝐽 stuff sounded that way. And if you're into jazz, Stuff Smith, S-T-U-F-F Smith. Check out Stuff Smith's stuff. It's also a little on the grindy side, and it's just full of soulful soul. I think you might like it. All right, everybody, make sure to like this video for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to the channel. If you're following on Facebook, follow this page. Like and share is very much appreciated. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If you want 30 days of free Strum Machine, go to strummachine.com/Nate, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.